Tangsalo Khorang Don Bosco School ni Kwtal building nog no fita rawi Chengwi Rwkha Hasteni Hastepha Indra sena Reddy nalo manjaka rung nog ni principal te teachers ro Ashla rung ni rung frungnai rung khobui rung ni rung srungnai rok phai manjaka abo haikena ashla Hasteni Hastepha Indra sena Reddy nalu shaka rung srungnai rok bijapni srungmung na harmani logi logi social education no tuibo kaham srungmung na harnani bagai kobukmung na Rwkha.
I am happy to be here on this auspicious occasion. The fair and peaceful environment in today's society is a result of education. Therefore, education plays various roles in both social development and the lives of society members. It provides a sense of belongingness, consciousness, moral development, cultural enrichment, and the development of a positive attitude. Every society represents the communication of individuals based on how they share values and a common history. Education is essentially the cultivation of these values within individuals, making them well suited for society. Education acts as a safeguard against dishonesty and social evils. Thus, the fundamental principles of learning should not be overlooked. They must be carefully considered in the planning and implementation of education system. At the social level, it is imperative for society to come forward and support one another in building a better educational framework. Education in India encompasses various levels and types of learning influenced by a range of policies and programs. India was a land of wonder and the fame of Indian culture, wealth, religions, philosophies, art, architecture, as well as its educational practices had spread far and wide. Education empowers each individual to understand the constructive possibilities of living and also how to contribute more to society for the benefit of all. The first national policy on the education of independent India was implemented in 1968 in response to the recommendations of the Kwtal Commission. The second national education policy was implemented in 1986. Marking a gap of 2 decades, the new education policy was adopted by the Government of India in 2020. Means that the first segment covers primary and secondary. The second portion spans from the 3rd to the 5th grade. The third part encompasses the 6th to 8th grade, and final segment is from the 9th to 12th grade. Ancient Indian thinkers regarded education as an instrument that guides an ignorant person towards an intellectual, progressive, moral, and good life. Christian institutions rendered valuable services to the cause of education in India, and their efforts led to the establishment of the first missionary college at Sharmampur in 1818. The Bishops' College was founded in Calcutta in 1820. Missionaries heavily invested in setting up their institutions in India. It is an historical journey to enter into the 200th year of the dream that John Bosco, later Don Bosco, had, in which fierce waveforms were changed into gentle lambs. Through the education system of Don Bosco, religious values and loving kindness can transform young lives into responsible and mature futures.
Khorang Nishimi Omit Nikok Thum, Chini Khorang.